slime ASMR with my bad slime as well. If you haven't already, before we start the video, please hit that subscribe button, and there's that push notification button right next to the subscribe button, so then you get notified whenever I do a video. I do videos, not about slime. This is my first slime video, so I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. Here is the container of my clear slime. It's a bit foggy because I was playing with it a couple of minutes ago. It is green. It is super clear when it's not foggy. It's a jiggly slime. What I added into it is two small 1 ounce bottles of clear glue with a bunch of water. So here comes the ASMR. Here we go. It makes real weird noises. So guys, I hope you like this slime. I might do another video when it's not foggy. So yeah, rate this slime 1 to 10. So let's put this away. And now I'm gonna be showing you my bad slime. Guys, here's my bad slime. As you can see, it's getting all over my hands already. Look at this. Oh my god, it's so bad. Anyways, here's the ASMR for this one. It's not really that much of an ASMR, but it's something. I hope you guys liked this weird video. Rate this slime out of 1 to 10 badness, and I'll see you in the next video. Also, comment down below the question of the day. What's your favorite clothes brand? I live in Australia, so if my little Aussies are watching this, tell me what's your favorite clothes brand in Australia. Anyways, catch you later. Bye.